Hi, I'm Omar, and in this video I will show you how you can insert a picture in a cell in Excel like this. Oh, by the way, I recognize that many of you are watching my videos but are not subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe because that helps a lot. And now let's get started.
So here I am in Excel and I want to create a menu for a certain restaurant that has some food like pizza, pasta, fries and hummus and the prices of each one of them, and I would like to add images to this menu. So in order to do that, I have these pictures here which I would like to insert inside the cell. So in order to do that, I will press on a cell, I will go into Insert and I will go into Pictures, and here I will choose Place in Cell. I will choose it from this device and I'll import the pizza picture. As you can see now, it's inside the cell. No matter how much I enlarge or make the cell smaller in the width and in the height, it will adapt to the size of the cell. Same I will add for the others. And as you can see, I have the pictures here inside. I can, of course, also centralize these images because now they are inside the cell. So whatever applies to text inside the cell also applies to these images. So put it in the middle. You can see now it's in the middle of the cell. Maybe make it bigger. So you can see now all the images are inside the cells.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And as I said before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification button. See you.